doggies, brand new 2021 M2112 Western hauler. Guys, if you don't know Western hauler, I don't even know that you know big trucks. They're one of the top guns in custom conversions for these trucks. Their stuff can be seen everywhere, including the new series Yellowstone. They had an F450 Western hauler on the new series Yellowstone. Same conversion company, little different interior, but they are clean trucks. Guys, we're gonna go for a ride in this sucker, see what the interior is all about. Hey guys, we're inside the 21 Western hauler. 505 horsepower. This thing is an animal. 1,850 foot-pounds of torque. GVW, 33,000 pounds. We're gonna go on a quick little ride. This truck is set up to do trailer air. We can plumb it, so if you got a big horse trailer, big boat, big race trailer, we can plumb up the rear end, have glide hands, make it super easy to cruise on down the road with whatever trailer you got. We have started putting the Alpine setups in these trucks as well. Same Stinger head unit. Real nice big dash setup. This is a DD13. That is Detroit diesel. You got gator skin. This is Western hauler series saddle brown interior. I don't know if you guys can notice in here, but it is super quiet driving down the road in this thing. This is way easier to drive in one of these hauler trucks than even a 1-ton 350 or a 450. Way smoother ride. You got dual air ride seats, adjustable arms, you know, all the creature comforts that, you know, some of those trucks have, some don't, but I know they don't have air ride seats that just absorb every bounce in the road. Super nice. I know in long hauls when I take these things down to Florida, or I've been to Texas, or across the Kansas to Colorado, the fatigue level in a truck like this is way less than what it is in a 1-ton truck. You don't get beaten up like you do in one of those trucks. It's way easier for us. Not to mention, we're coming into a curve here. Air brakes on this thing. The stopping power is crazy. You'll never have a problem stopping again. You got air brakes, you got real trailer air if your trailer is suited for it. You do have the electronic braking device down here. And you've got an engine brake. You've got high and low engine brake. This thing is set up to haul a ton of weight. No pun intended. Guys, this thing's outfitted with cherry wood, gator skin, saddle brown. It is a Western hauler conversion. If you got questions about it, this truck is $249,995. FET included at that price. 816-489-8298. My name's Alex. Be more than happy to help y'all out. Check us out at Transwest Facebook page. Check us out at transwestrv.com or Custom Hauler Trucks on Facebook. And we'll have all these trucks listed, prices. If you got questions, reach out, ask for Alex. I'd appreciate it. Thanks, guys.